Hello everyone. Today we will be going to discuss a new topic that is called finding the increase or decrease percent. So how to find that? So in order to know the procedure, let us first deal with a question. So it will help us to understand how to find out the increase percentage or the decrease percentage. Now, one thing you should remember that in the question, it's not always that it will be mentioned that find out the increased percentage or find out the decreased percentage. It will not be mentioned always. So what you have to do is that you have to read the question carefully, and from there itself you have to find it out that whether the question has asked us to find the increased percentage or the decreased percentage. So let us read this question. The question says that the price of a scooter was 34,000 last year and it has increased by 20% this year. So what is the price now? Now the scooter that we are talking about here is a brand new scooter. Obviously it's not written here, but it can be understood because if it was an old scooter, then the price would have depreciated. But here the price has increased by 20%. So obviously it's a new scooter, most probably in a showroom. So whatever it is, its price has increased by 20%. So what is its price now? We have to find out. So obviously what we need to find here is the increased percentage. Since it has increased by 20%, even though it is not mentioned here, but it is well understood. So we can find out the increased percentage of the scooter as follows. There are two methods as usual. One is the unitary method and another is the general method, you can see. So I would prefer you to go through the general method because on an average everyone understands this method. Obviously unitary method is also very easy to understand, but for everyone's sake I would prefer you to go to this general method. So here what's written is that Amrita has said that she would first find the increase. Okay, now no need to go with the name Amita and here it's written Sunita. Our main focus would be what is the new price. So as the question has said that it has increased 20%, so first of all we will be finding out what is the 20% of 34,000. So 20% of 34,000 means 20%. As soon as percent is given, so obviously it is known that it will be 20 by 100. Of means multiplication, as I have said you earlier, and then the rest of the thing is same, it's 34,000. Now after calculation we get rupees 6,800. So this is the amount that has been increased, or we can say this is the 20% of 34,000. So the new price would be simple. The earlier price, that is 34,000, plus the increased price, that is 6,800. So this much amount has been increased this year, or the new price, you can say. So we have to add it and we got here rupees 40,800. Simple. Now what if the price of the scooter has decreased, or what if the scooter is an old one, say as I have said you earlier, and its price has depreciated? Every year it depreciates. The word depreciation also can be given sometimes in the question. So depreciation means its value has decreased. So suppose it has decreased by 20%. So then last year, so what to do here? So here we have to find out the decrease percentage. So the procedure is exactly the same till here, because 20% of 34,000 is 6,800. This much is same procedure, nothing to worry about. And what will be the new price? Here also the procedure is exactly the same, just since it is a decrease percentage, what you need to do is that you have to put a minus sign here. That means the formula will be old price minus decrease. Whenever there is a decrease, it will be minus. So this is the thing, reduction or the depreciation is this much, and it will be old price minus reduction. It will be minus or decrease percent or whatever it is, it will be minus whenever it is a decrease case. So this will be the price, new price, 27,200. I hope this is clear to you. Now the next topic is finding discounts. Now we all know, if we are very fond of this online shopping or any kind of shopping, offline shopping as well, in the malls or in shops, especially the clothing and all these things, especially during the festive season. So we always go for the discounts because the customers are always trying to find out the best deals that would suit their money or suit their pockets, you can say. So always they go for the sale or the discount, whatever it is. So what is actually this discount? The discount is nothing but it is a reduction given on the marked price of the article. Now what is marked price, you might be thinking? Marked price is not actually the MRP or the maximum retail price. It is the price that is set by the, you can say, the producer or the company. This was the original price, you can say, and from that price the discount is done based on that price. So why it is done? Generally it is done to attract the customers to buy that good or to promote that sale of that good. Now we can find out the discount by just subtracting its sale price from its mark price. Now sale price is nothing but it is the price after discount. That is the sale price, and mark price was the original price. That means say 20% discount on a 100 rupees item. That means 20 rupees has been deducted from it. So it will be now what? The sale price will be 80 rupees. So the formula is also given. Discount is equal to marked price minus sale price. So let us see quickly an example or a question, you can say. Say an item is marked at rupees 840. This is the original price that is set by the producer or the company. Then it is now been sold for rupees 714. This is the sale price because it is sold at this price. Now what is the discount? Obviously there is a discount, so the price has decreased. And what is the discount percentage? How much percent of discount is given? So first of all, we will find out the discount. Discount, as we know the formula, marked price minus sale price. So 840 minus 714. So it will give us rupees 126. So this much rupees discount is given. So this much rupees will be how much discount in percent, or how much percent of discount is given. So whenever we find out the percentage of discount, it is always found on the marked price. Based on the marked price, the discount is given, as I have said you a while ago. So here also, whenever we find the discount percent, we will be finding the discount that we got divided by the marked price into 100%. So from here we got 15%. So 15% of discount was given on that item. Clear? Now, say if you are given the discount percent and you are told to find out what is the discount or the sale price. This is the other way around this question. It is the same type of question, but here the different thing is asked. Earlier the discount was given, or the discount was told to be found, but now here you are told to find here discount percent is already given. So this thing is already given, which you have already found in the earlier question. Now we have to find out the discount amount and the sale price. So how to do that? Okay, sometimes the marked price is also called as the list price. It is the same thing. So nothing to be confused about it. List price, marked price is the same thing. Now 20% discount is given on a frock whose marked price or the list price is 220 rupees. Now 20% discount is given on what? 20% discount will be given on the marked price, that is on 220 rupees. Now 20% discount means what? Say if an item is marked at 100 rupees, then 20% discount means 20 rupees is reduced or less, 20 rupees less. And if the same thing happens in the case of an item which is 1 rupees, so the discount would be 20 by 100. So on 220 rupees, it would be 20 by 100 into 220. So this is actually done by the unitary method. This method which I have used here is the unitary method. Although I have not mentioned it here, but this is the unitary method. So from here we got the discount amount, that is 44 rupees. This much discount is given on that item, or the frock you can say. So sale price. So using that earlier formula only, just you have to reshuffle it a bit. So here the sale price would be, earlier formula was discount equals to mark price minus sale price. So we have to find out the sale price now. So if you have to find out the sale price, discount is already given to you, mark price is also given to you. So just putting the values in appropriate places, we can find out the sale price. So sale price will be marked price minus discount. So it will give us rupees 176. There is also one more method that is also based on the unitary method, but you can see it in a textbook, it's given. I have not done it here. But anyways, this method is also not very tough, one of the easiest methods. But as I say always, that maths can be done in various methods. Whichever method you prefer to be suitable for you, you always go for it. So that's it then for discount. There is one more small topic that is given. I have not covered it in this video, but it's said as estimation in this discount, or estimation in percentage. So it's estimation in percentages, and I have not covered it in this video because it's very easy for you all. It is actually done when the marked price is given in decimals, say 500.80 means 500 rupees and 80 paise, something like that, rupees 580 paise. So nowadays such type of you can say mark price is not seen actually, unless on some items, but in case of clothing and all, such type of thing is not given. Mostly they are rounded off. So there also in estimation in percentages, you have to just round off that value. Either it is a mark price or whatever it is, you have to just round it off to the nearest tens or nearest fives also you can do. Say it is rupees 87. So for our own convenience, we can make it round it off to 85. Clear? Which is nearest. So you have to round it off. So that part is actually rounding off thing. So I have not covered it here. It is well known to you, I hope. So that's it then. I hope today you have understood the topics called decrease and the increase in percentages and finding out the discount. Also finding out how to find out the sale price. Mark price is mostly given to you. And even if it is not given, you can find it out by using that formula of discount. So that's it then for today. Thank you and have a nice day.